studio quality, high-res certification, 50mm drivers, dual input, SharePort technology, 2K price, and competes with the high-end lineup. Let's go straight away. This is Oneodio Pro 10. Hi everyone, this is Khavar. You're watching the audio file. If you like bass and only bass, this headphone may not be for you. Rest up, let's go. In the box, you get headphones, a 3.5mm and 6.3mm aux cable, and a decent quality carrying pouch, which will only protect your headphones from scratches. Let's not deviate your hair for sound quality. These Oneodio Pro 10 headphones come with 50mm neodymium drivers and produce every frequency evenly without leaning towards a particular band. So every element comes out clean and solid, easily identified coming from a specific instrument. Coming to movies and songs, movies are really enjoyable on these headphones and you hear a good 3D surround sound like the scenes where audio is coming from different directions. But in case of songs, we Indians may not find these our cup of tea as we all like heavy bass. The bass is not lacking at all, but there is a natural bass, not the one like emphasized and vibrating. I can explain it like these are high-res certified headphones, and if you want to enjoy a song like it's made to be heard while enjoying each and every element of the song, these will definitely not disappoint you. The bass comes exactly where it needs to be present. Primarily, these are DJ mixing headphones. So for video editing, up to almost 3000 INR, there is nothing quite as good as these are. You will hear every sound note in your project clean and in right proportions so that you can tweak it exactly the way you want to make it sound. For calls, gaming and meetings, you're all covered. These are wired earphones, so there is no latency at all. PUBG and BGMI footsteps are easily identifiable. You get an inline aux microphone cable and the microphone quality is really good, nothing to complain here. After sound, the second important thing is build quality. There is nothing to worry about the build quality here, though it's made up of plastic, but the quality is really good. The adjustment sliders are made from metal, so these won't break easily. Regarding comfort, these are over-ear headphones. So unless you have extra large ears, the fitting should not be a problem at all. These are neither too tight nor too loose, and the air and head padding is soft. So for me, these do not create any problems. These fit without any pain or problems. These come with some extra features than your normal pair of headphones. Like I said in the beginning, these are DJ headphones. So you can connect a 6.3mm jack along with the normal 3.5mm jack and hear from two source devices at the same time. You can actually attach two aux cables simultaneously to this headphone, and you can also bypass your audio to another pair of headphones via the SharePort technology and enjoy a movie with someone else. So point of conclusion, should you buy? If you still can't decide by watching the video till here, repeat the video and you will get your answer. From my side, if you consume a lot of movies, Netflix, Prime Video, or even starting DJ as a beginner, you should definitely look at these. These have excellent balanced sound quality if you are not that one who likes boom boom bass. So yeah, I hope that helped you. You can help me by a like, subscribe. See you guys hopefully very soon.